day everybody, USADOS is here from Busyman. Today we got this Grandeuer TG 2700cc. Let's take a look at this car. It's raining here today in South Korea. This is a 360 review. Let's check the doors. There we go. Check the other side as well. This one is very clean. Check this one too. Let's check the trunk. Oh, first look here. Let's check the trunk. A lot of stuff here, but
esta es BUSYMAN.KR, empresa comercializadora de automóviles usados. Vendemos autos a bajo precio y los enviamos al puerto donde lo desee. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Contáctanos por nuestro sitio web o por WhatsApp Messenger. Buen auto y buen precio. BUSYMAN.KR. El número de teléfono celular es +8210-7353-2398.
let's go check the engine room. Oh, before we check the engine room, look at this here. There's some rust. Let's go now. So here's the engine. It sounds okay, not so bad, but not perfect. Nothing's coming out. The battery is in a good condition.
Here we go inside the car. Let's check here everything. Okay, we start here as usual. We put the key on. Alright. Start the engine. Lights are gone. Everything is good. Alright. Let's try to accelerate. See the RPMs. Perfect. It goes up very smoothly. Let's try again. Very smooth and very fast. Okay. Let's check the audio.
음식을 만드는 거죠. 저도 이 프로그램을 들어보니까 우리 아이들 간식으로 만들면 참 좋겠다 싶어서 찾아보고 따라해보는데 은근 쉬워서 종종 이용하고 있습니다. 주말에 간단하면서 재밌는 요리를 배워보고 싶은 분들 강추입니다.
I think there's a problem with this roll. It doesn't go down as it should be. Let's try again.
백화점 상품권 보내드릴게요. 저도 이제 뭐 템플릭스나 뭐 웹땡 이런 데서는 요리 드라마, 요리 프로그램,
Okay, now it's done.
영화 이런 거.
Yeah, this one's working, but the wheel here It has a slight problem. I think it's not connected very well. It's not a big problem. I'm gonna try the AC. It's on right now actually, but on high. Very hot. Let's put the temperature down. Okay. See on. See, okay, start to come. Cold air starts coming. Yep, it's cold now. So AC looks like it's working very well. I'll change mood from here. But it's cold outside, so let's put it on high again. On hot. Turn the AC off. It's hot again. Fans are working perfectly. Also from here. Windows. This window works perfectly. The other side window. Same here. Same at the back. And this side. Here's the interior of the car. Seats are clean. Leather seats in a perfect condition. This seat as well. This here, the seat I'm sitting on. The wheel has buttons here. You can actually control this. Let's try one more time.
음악 들으면서 산책하다가 이어폰이 툭 삐져나온 걸 누가 훔쳐?
You can control the sound from here if it's not working there. What else? Yeah, this is automatic gear here. This one. Got this one here. There's another one here. Yep, that's all here.
So this was the review of this Grandeur 2007 2700cc engine. As you've seen, everything is good. The engine is also in a very good condition. The car from inside is very clean, from outside also, except for the right side, the rear door, there's some rust there, a little bit of damage, but the car is in a very good condition. So if you're interested in this car, please don't hesitate to contact us. You can reach us at busyman.kr. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.
Si está interesado en este automóvil, contáctenos. El sitio web es busyman.kr. El número de teléfono es +8210 7353 2398. Suscríbete, dale a me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Si subo otro video, te lo haré saber. Gracias.